chain 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second chain from the hook, you're going to single crochet down. This is row 1. Chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet down for row 2. Alright, last one. And now we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to, you can start on either side, so we'll start over here. So we're going to do 16 single crochets in the next 16 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Bella lay down, 5, 6, 7, 14, 15, 16. Okay. And now we need one bobble stitch. If you're not sure how to do this stitch, you can go back to our playlist on our website and you can see the very first one there, which goes in depth detail of how to do these stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch, then you're going to put another bobble into the next one. I will also have the pattern link down below, the link for it to get all these patterns. Single crochet in the next one. So we've done 2, we need one more. Okay, so you should always have 5 on your hook. And now we need 8 single crochets in the next 8 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so you're going to chain 1, turn your work, and now this row just single crochet down through all 30 stitches. So you should have 30 at the end of the row. And don't forget to hit the stitch in between, behind the bobble, on top of the bobble stitch, in between, because remember we put single crochet in between them, on top, in between, on top, beside, and then just keep going down. Voila. So we're going to start here. So chain 1, turn your work, and now you're going to do 14 single crochets into the next 14 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So we did this whole row. So we're going to put one bobble stitch into the next stitch. 1 single crochet, 1 bobble, 1 single crochet into the next stitch. So we just did 2. So we have 3, 4, 5 total we need. So here's number 3. Four, and 5. And then we should have 6 single crochets, including this one after the bobble stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Chain 1, turn your work. Go ahead and single crochet down. I'll meet you back here when I have that done. Okay, so we're finishing up that row. Go ahead and chain 1, turn your work. Now we need 13 single crochets in the next 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we just finished here. So we need 1 bobble stitch, okay, 1 single crochet, 1 bobble stitch. Nope, that got messed up. One single crochet, one bobble stitch, okay, now we need 3 single crochets, so 1, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 bobble stitch, and now we should have 5 single crochets left to end this round. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, turn your work. So now we're just going to do our single crochet row. Alright, 12 single crochets in the next 12 stitches. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cool. So now we have 1. So we need one bobble stitch into the next stitch. One single crochet, oh, right here. One bobbles into the next stitch. One single crochet. One more bobble into the next stitch. Okay, then you should end that round with 12 single crochets. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Chain 1, turn our work. You can see that's his trunk. Okay, so now we're going to do our single crochet round. So after every round you do a bobble stitch, you want to make sure you put a single crochet in. I kind of wish we put one more row down here, but we'll put another row when we do the border. So let's just single crochet, and I'll meet you back when that's done. Okay, chain 1, turn your work, and now we have 5 single crochets into the next 5 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One bobble stitch. Why is this yarn being so finicky? One single crochet, and then one more bobble stitch. Three single crochets, 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we need one bobble stitch. Let me write these. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we need 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 2 bobbles into the next 3 stitches. Since you have to put a single crochet. Okay, paper, get out of my way. Okay. Yep. Nope. But you can't talk on this row because I need it. Okay, and now we need 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, chain 1 through your hook, turn your work, and go ahead and single crochet across, and I'll meet you back when I have that done. What's up? Okay. Chain 1, turn your work. And over here, we need 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch, 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, no siree, Bob, 3, wait, how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 bobble stitch. And then we need 9 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to repeat the beginning, so 1 bobble stitch, going backwards of course. 5 single crochets, 1, 2, I'm almost done, Mick. 3, 4, 5, 1 bobble stitch, and then 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn your work. Alright, just go ahead and do that single crochet row, and we'll come back when we have that finished. Alright, chain 1, turn your work. We are here, so we need 2 single crochets into the next 2 stitches. Oh, this looks like it's going to be the same for a while. That's good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are the same. Okay. 1 bobble stitch, five single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 1 bobble stitch, and then we need 11 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 1 bobble stitch, five single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 bobble stitch, and ending with 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So then we're going to single crochet back, chain up 1, turn your work, wicked, and now we're just going to single crochet down. Chain 1, turn your work. And right here, so we need 2 single crochets, 1, 2, 1 bobble stitch, five single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double stitch, I think I keep getting like yarn particles on my nose. It keeps itching. 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch, three single crochets, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch. This is pretty repetitive, huh? This row. Got that one done. Now we need 3 single crochets. I think we just put his little eyes. 1, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch, 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 more bobble stitch. Okay, and that ends this row. So now we're going to single crochet back, chain 1. Oh, he's looking cute. Okay, so go ahead and single crochet down, and I'll meet you back when I have that done. Chain 1, turn your work. We're here. Two single crochets, 1 bobble stitch, five single crochets, 1 bobble stitch, (11) single crochets, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 bobble stitch, five single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 bobble stitch, and 2 single crochets to end that row. We just finished this row, so now we're going to work our way back and finish the next row. So chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet across. Chain 1, turn your work, and then we're going to single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and then 1 bobble to the next stitch. So now we need 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 bobble stitch, 1, 9 single crochet. What?
I thought we were going shopping today.
Nope. 1, 2, 3, 8.
Why not?
1 bobble stitch into the next stitch.
So we'll just have to go Friday then.
6 single crochet.
That's what I texted you this morning
1,
to see if we was
2,
going.
3, I know, 4, 5, come here, 6. Come behind me. Let me finish this row, hold on. 1 bobble into the next stitch, 1, and 2 single crochets, 1,
Look at me in the camera.
2, chain 1, turn your work.
What?
Hang on. Okay, go ahead and single crochet down, and I'll meet you back when we have that done. All right, so
If
chain
that's
1,
what
turn your work. Put 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches, and then 1 bobble. Okay, and then we need 8 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, next stitch you're going to put a bobble. I think I did 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So 1 bobble stitch. Whoops. Whoops, 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 whoops. 1 single crochet. So we need 4 bobble stitches. So here's number 2. Single crochet. Number 3. Single crochet. Oh my god, this yarn is driving me nuts. And number 4. And then 8 single crochets. 1, nothing, the yarn is driving me nuts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 bobble stitch, and 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Okay, so chain 1 and single crochet across. All right, chain 1, turn your work, And then you're gonna do three, I lied, we're right here. 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1 bobble stitch, 6 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 bobble stitch, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 7 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 bobble stitch. Six single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 bobble stitch. Three single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet across. All right, chain 1, turn your work, 4 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. And then we have 1, 2, 3 bobble stitches in the next couple stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 single crochet. Bobble stitch number 2. Single crochet. In number 3. Bobble stitch number 3. And then 11 single crochets. This yarn's driving me nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and I'll repeat the beginning. So we need 3 bobble stitch totals. So we have 1 single crochet in the next stitch, bobble number 2, single crochet in the next stitch, and number 3, and then 4 single crochets in the next 4 stitches. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that ends that round. So then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 single crochet rounds. So chain up 1, turn your work, and single crochet 5 rows, and we'll come back when we have that done. All right, so we're finishing up this last 2. I decided to only do 3 rows because of us only doing 2 down here, so I only wanted to do 3 up here. So in this last stitch, you're gonna put 2 single crochets in there. And that allows you to turn your work to do the border. So you can see the big hole here for the first one, and then you can see the small hole here for the second single crochet, third, And you're just going to single crochet all the way down and around. Like I said, making sure you put 2 in the corners, because see how that makes that corner look rounded? Looks really pretty that way. Okay, so we're getting ready to come up on that corner again. This is the corner here. So I'm going to put 1, 2 right in that same stitch. So now we are rounded so that we can turn and go this way. So now you're just going to keep going. And we're coming up on that corner. We just need to watch where we're putting our stitches, because as you can see, it pulls it up a little bit. So you don't want to make sure you go under those and not into this other one. So this is the corner where we started. So we're going to put 2 single crochets in there. And what I like to do is put that tail in front, and as I'm single crocheting down, it hides it away. So I don't have to worry about it at the end. Will I have a tail from cutting this off? Yes. But that one will get crocheted in as I attach everything. Okay, so I'm going to call that one quits. Cut it off. What? Is it a blue cord? We don't have red? I thought I had a whole drawer of red.
You have a drawer of blues, 2 of them.
I have blue, I have a tan drawer. I mean, I can use that for a different one, but I was really looking forward to red for the crab. If you think orange will look fine, fine.
I mean, I don't know. That's just the closest to red I could find. It's not exactly easy digging through them.
I could have sworn I saw it on top. Whatever. No big deal. I'll use orange for a crab.
Technically, crabs are orange too.
It's a really bright orange though.
They bright orange.
Alright, so we're coming up on the end of this one. So I did turn the corner and I'm crocheting 1 more row on top. Just so we can get back into that corner. And we are going to slip stitch right into this corner. Cut a nice tail size. These scissors suck. And then just, hold on, I want to make sure we slip stitch right. And then just pull it through. Okay. This is just water. So you just want to spray it really good. Just soak it. Okay, flip it and do the same thing on the back. Okay. That is it. Ellie the elephant is done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you next one.